Welcome back to another brand new video by The Random Technology. So, hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. So today's topic is also a random topic. If you are an old viewer, you will be knowing that from some time we are making videos on random topic and giving you information about that. So today's random topic is this one. This is today's random topic, and on this whole video is based. So if you want to know the questions, yes, I know you will be knowing. You will be curious to know. Okay, so questions will be, here we go. These are the questions which will be answered in this video. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end. And before starting the video, I will just tell you that follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Telegram. The links will be in the description box below. So coming back to this video, and hey guys, this is The Random Technology and you're watching a brand new video. So without wasting any further time, let's begin.
So guys, you might be knowing the questions. So let me tell you once again that what are the questions. So first question is that what is time machine? Then coming up is what is grandfather paradox, and the last one is that means if you can time travel, so where you can go, means behind the time or in the forward, means you can go in the past or just in the future. So to know the answers, you have to watch the video till the end. So guys, you might be knowing the first question. So first question is that what is time machine? So time machine is just a simple machine that does the time travel for you, means you can go in the past or in the future as you desire. So time machine is not a clock, because clock is just like a speedometer in the car. If you drive the car, so you can see the speedometer in the dashboard of the car. So in the car, means it goes in, means if it increases the speed, so the hand of the speedometer will also increase. So just like that, how the car is traveling, the speedometer determines. Just like that the clock does, means if you will adjust the hand of the speedometer, it will be not same, that means it will be not able to do that. Means if you adjust the speed of clock, so nothing happens, because time does not travel as fast, because it is just the speedometer. You need the accelerator to increase the speed of car. Just like that, you also need, you don't increase here, because you have to just take a leap in the time. So for that, a machine has to be made, which is not yet made, but calculations are done for the machinery. So guys, coming up next question is that what is grandfather paradox? There is also some more interesting question that you might be knowing. If you don't know, so don't worry guys, here are we, and we are going to give you best knowledge. So watch the video till the end. Guys, what is grandfather paradox? This is the question that I am going to answer you. So grandfather paradox is truly curious object, means your curiosity will increase by getting the answer. So in the grandfather paradox, first the case is given to you. So first means you just means or imagine the case or just have a look on the case. So firstly, you have made a time machine, yet it is not made, but you have to means be like that you have made time machine and you are going in the past and just going there, and you know the exact location of your grandfather and just go and kill him. So after that, what it will happen, that means after that father will be born if grandfather was alive. So means father will be born, and after that you will be born, means any one of the parent will be born and another you will be born. So means if you kill a grandfather, so your father will not born, and ultimately you will not born, and just the end of the lineage and the time machine will not be developed. But it is clearly wrong. We can't say it is wrong, but according to us and according to scientists, it is wrong, because in time travel, some theories are given that time travels parallelly, means in that if you will time travel and go, so you will go in the stage where grandfather is dead, but it is means if two railways are going and you are going in the right side of the railway and the left side of is going, so left side is the grandfather's death in the early age and in the right side it is your lineage. So if you will go and travel there, nothing will happen, just you will be born only and simply your presence would be filled. And if something happens wrong, means if you go there and if you go in the real time, so it will not possible because no theorems are given for this and calculations are done but not proved yet, because time machine is also not made, so for that it is not proved. And coming up next is time travel possible in the past or in the future? So guys, watch the video till the end and like us if you not like the video, because this is one of the best topics that we are making the video on. Now the question is that can we travel in which direction for the time, in the past or just in the future? So for this no calculations are given, but let me give you one case. So for this you have to analyze, and don't analyze, just consider the case. Firstly, you have made a time travel machine which can do for 5 seconds go in the past. It could go 5 seconds in the past. So in this, what would happen if you drop a charged cell, the cell which is charged on full battery, and if you drop in that, so it would go and you 3 seconds 5 seconds before only you put the trampoline there. So what would happen that it would bounce back and go further in the machine and come out. So if you drop 2, means there also will be 2, means 2 plus 2 it would go 4, then like this it would grow exponentially. So what would happen like this, that it would make too much big amount of cells, which is not possible according to law of conservation of energy. Don't know, so let me tell you that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So here energy is created, means the cell is formed, and coming up means the another part of it, that the universal energy remains constant and it could be changed in one form to another form. Means if you consider solar energy, so in this the sun's rays will be coming and it changes into electrical energy, so the solar energy changes into electrical energy. So just like that, you can't, according to me and our crew members, you can't go. But if you feel that we can go in the past and make like this a billions of cells, so please comment down below and tell that this can happen or not. So another is too much interesting topic, so I will tell you that afterwards in this video only, but I will tell, and this video is bit longer, so you please see it because this video is more interesting one. Then that we can time travel, what is the time machine? So what would be the basis of this? According to relativity theory of Einstein, Sir Albert Einstein, so in that everything is relative. So for this you have to do something, that you have to firstly like the video, then I will tell you what. So pause the video and like us. So now let me tell that how you can do the time travel. So firstly you have to increase the gravitation, means you have to increase the speed of you and you have to go faster than the time. Means not that you have to cover a 1 meter distance in just a fraction of time. No, it is wrong. You have to gain too much speed. Humans have done it, but they could time travel just in milliseconds. That would go just like by just a chirping. And if you do, means if the time travel is possible, so firstly you have to make a strong gravitational field. So by gravitational field, you know what is gravity. If you don't know, so firstly let me tell that. Means the gravity is the force of attraction by a body to another body towards itself. So the gravity does like this. So if you will increase gravity, so the force will be increased. If the force will increase, so acceleration will increase. As the mass remains constant in the universe, so the variable is acceleration. You know that force is equal to mass into acceleration, so acceleration will increase. and by then the velocity will increase, so your speed will increase. So this could be possible in black holes. Means you go near the black holes because it has too much gravitational field that it could just, means if the light is going like this and the black hole is here, so it would capture in it. It could bend a beam of light, so it is too much strong. So you could, means this can make a time travel for us, and you can do with this, but you will not try because it doesn't give you the, means it could not happen. But if you die, so what will happen? So this is the also theory given by Einstein, and we can use it by this. So for this is the end of the video, and something coming up that you will see, and you will see also
of this video. And if you like the video, make sure you press that like button. I don't know how you will press, if you'll punch it, just hit it or slap it, but we want that like button to be blue, means its color should turn from grey to blue. And if you are new to your channel, then what to do? Yes, make sure to subscribe our channel. So, and after subscribing you should turn on that notification bell, otherwise you will not get all the notification. And if you are on Twitter, Telegram or Instagram, or if you are on any one of them, make sure to follow us there, and the links will be in the description box below. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.